The Skoda modular infotainment matrix system can sometimes encounter glitches. A simple reboot often resolves minor issues. To perform a soft reboot, hold the power button on the infotainment unit for 10 to 15 seconds until it restarts. This clears temporary glitches without data loss. If a soft reboot doesn't work, a factory reset may be necessary. Access this option through Settings, Factory Settings, Reset. Note that a factory reset will erase all user data, such as saved radio stations and contacts, so back up important information beforehand if possible. For newer MIB3 systems, you might need to enable developer mode via hidden menus to access the factory reset option. Understanding the difference between a soft reboot, which clears RAM and cache, and a hard reset, which power cycles the entire system, is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Always perform these resets while parked to avoid safety hazards. If your Skoda MIB touchscreen becomes unresponsive, a hard reset or recalibration may be required. For a hard reset, disconnect the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes. Always consult your vehicle's manual for specific safety instructions. Alternatively, check the settings menu for a calibration option to recalibrate the screen. Software updates from Skoda can also resolve touchscreen and other MIB issues. These are available over the air for MI3 Plus models. Always check Skoda's official app or website for model-specific updates. Keep in mind that modifying the MIB software might void your warranty, particularly under EU type approval regulations. If problems persist, consult a certified Skoda dealer. Remember to back up data before any reset and prioritize soft reboots before resorting to factory resets to minimize data loss.